Hello and welcome to Hope Tech Ventures. Today I'll be taking you through on how to scan your PC for viruses and malware. This will be a two-part series where in the first part I'm going to show you how to use the inbuilt Windows features for scanning your PC for any virus in the computer. Then in the second part I'll be showing you how to scan your PC using the trusted third-party softwares and antiviruses. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. To access the Windows Defender, on your search menu, search Windows Security. Then select Virus and Threat Protection. Then select Scan Options. Under Scan Option, it gives you several options that you can choose for. The first one, you have the Quick Scan. This one checks folders in your system where threats are commonly found. This one basically scans your PC in a quick way, just checking folders, not a deep scan. You can select it and then you scan now. Click on Scan Now. As you can see, it has already started scanning our files and folders. You can give it some time as it continues to scan. It is done with scanning. You can see we have 11,843 files scanned. You can check on protection history. You can also check on allowed threats in case there was any threat, there was no threat, and that is the quick scan. Then the second option, we have the full scan. This one checks all the running files and programs on your hard disk, and it will take longer, almost 1 hour. So you simply select it and then click Scan Now. Thank you. This one I'll cancel. Won't finish. We go on to the next one. You have the custom scan. The custom scan is where you select given files or folders that you want them to be scanned. For instance, it gives you this pop-up to select a folder. We can decide to select this folder here. Again, you can choose another folder if you want. You have maybe this folder. You can select it and scan for any virus. 5 files scanned. You can see the feedback here, the report. Yeah, that is a custom scan. Then the last scan option under the Windows Defender, we have the Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This one, the scan takes place when the machine is off. When you click Scan Now, it actually prompts you to restart your machine. And as it restarts, it scans the machine, any virus or any malware. Thank you. That is how you can scan your PC using the inbuilt Windows Defender. And to ensure that this one works effectively, ensure that your Windows Defender is up to date. In our next video, we'll be showing you how to scan for viruses using the third-party tools and antiviruses. I'll be showing you the trusted antivirus in the market that you can use for free and that will protect your PC and help you to safely browse the internet. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.